Alright, so I uploaded a lot of missing assignments for you to work on, and I realized also that some of those are so far in the past that you may need a little refresher. So I'll be working to upload some videos that will be helpful to you as you complete those assignments. So first things first, let's talk like terms. Like terms means terms that are the same, and mathematically speaking, they are the same if they have the same variable, and power. So that means 3a, 5a, 10a, negative 6a. These are all like terms because they all have the a. 3a is not the same term as 3a to the second power because this a over here is actually to the first power, where this one is to the second. So when those powers do not align, they are not like terms. If we have something like 3a, 3b, these are also not the same because they don't have that same variable. So the concept by itself of like terms, what they are, should be relatively simple for you to understand. Now when we are working with like terms, I'm going to show you what that looks like. So if I have 4a and I am adding it to 10a, first things you need to do is make sure we have the same variable with the same power. So I would have both a's. Neither of them have a power written. When there is not a power written, I want you to assume it is to the power of 1. So, same letter, same power. We can in fact combine these terms. So to combine them, we will maintain the same variable from the problem, and we're just adding our coefficients, or the number right there in front of the variable. So 4 plus 10 is just 14. So 4a plus 2a equals 14 apples. Oops, not apples, 14a. Another way to think about it though, if these a's did represent apples, then I have 4 over here and 10 over here. When I add all of those apples together, I do in fact get 14 apples. So as long as that variable is the same and they are to the same power, we're just working with our coefficients. If, for example, I have something that looks like 6b minus 15b, I have the same variables. My variables have the same power of 1. So in my answer, I'm maintaining my variable, and this time I'm subtracting my coefficients instead of adding. So 6 minus 15. If you are still struggling with those integer rules, it is time to practice. 6 minus 15 will give us a negative 9. So 6 bananas minus 15 bananas equals negative 9 bananas. Okay? Where this becomes tricky is when I have something that looks more like, I get it. 11w minus 42m. The first thing I need to check, do I have the same variable? No. So my variables are not the same. I cannot do anything with the problem, so it actually stays the same. So this is like saying I have 11 watermelon, and from those 11 watermelon I want to take away 42 mangoes. but I don't have any mangoes to take away. So when those variables are different, we keep it the same. Okay.